After a total of 49 fantastic days of camping and hiking in Georgia, we had to begin our journey back north. We decided to stop at a state campground in Tennessee called Fall Creek Falls, which is about 90 minutes north of Chattanooga. Our plan is to stay here for 2 nights and check out the local trails. We booked the campsite online as normal and went into the visitor center, which seemed to be a good place to check in.
Except it doesn't say anything about camping.
RV only, so that maybe this is...
Try to go in and check.
Yeah. I'm still assuming we would have to check in. Just go. She did verify that there's nobody at the site right now, so it's because we are a little early. But we just go. So our site.
Really? Yeah. See, there's another part where information is up.
Apparently here you do not need to physically check in before heading to your site. It also seemed that the visitor center had little to do with the campground. We are at, I can't even remember. It's a weird name.
Fall Creek.
But here's the campsite. We are on campground loop B as in boy. And they did say that there was a slight incline. We've got a bit of leveling blocks on this thing in order to do a slight one. So I would recommend not to get the moderate incline ones, or you might be having a lot of fun. Our plan was to chill out a little bit when we got here, but we just found out that the weather is a bit different and it's going to be raining all day tomorrow, so we weren't going to be able to do any hiking. So, change of plans, we're going to go hiking. We're kind of excited about it because we did stop at REI for some new fun toys. Gary is trying out for the first time his double the trail sticks. Trekking sticks. And I got a cool backpack. Thought we could at least try stuff out. Oh, and I got a trekking stick too with a camera mount. Isn't that awesome? I'm happy. Yeah, we're talking on level. That's kind of cool. Is the nature center we found. Not that easy to get from the campground, unfortunately. You had to walk on the main street, which does not give you a lot of room. Not thrilled about that, but we are here. I see a bus coming through. That is definitely a bus. Okay, we're gonna go the other way. Oh, it's high schoolers even worse. Oh wow, that's kind of pretty. Yeah. Yeah, that is.
Let's see, our expectations now are going to be really high considering the last falls we were at.
Yeah, it was pretty impressive. Okay, we are going to do Plan B and go on the Pawpaw Trail, which is this way. I'm looking at the signs. I don't know which one is the Pawpaw, but we know this is the right path.
Hard to tell if it's under the water.
Really?
It's a fresh tip over. So I don't know how anchored in the ground it is.
Yeah, we might pass on that one just for funsies.
And the trail walks right almost underneath it, so we'll just let it go. It's a fresh tip over, so I'm not sure.
How do you know that? Oh, just because it's all the branches and stuff?
All the branches are green.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty cool.
That's the Falls Creek.
Fall Creek Falls Fall.
Falls Creek Falls.
It's the Fall Creek Falls Fall. Overlook. Why do I not remember this when we were walking back the other way? Yeah, you're right, we were on the other side. That's really cool. This road is not very cool though. Need a little bit more space sometimes. You go into the campground. This isn't bad. That corner over there sucked. So what part of this looks safe to walk on?
They're going to tell you to take your car.
Well, that's not at $5 a gallon. Heck no.
Yeah, I'm paying $5 a gallon. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Take your rubber off.
But then I'll be unprotected. Is it a gaggle of turkeys? Gobble, 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 gobble! Yeah, you can see the water down there. Huh. This is our site. We're definitely a little stilty. All we can say for this park is choose wisely. There's some that are great, there's some that are nightmarish. And speaking of nightmarish, please don't ever use Site 65.
Yeah. But see what I mean? It just drops off. You're sliding down here.
Yeah, that would be an absolutely terrifying one.
Come join us next week as we head to Land Between the Lakes and explore some new trails and stay at a backcountry campsite. And if you like these videos, please let us know by subscribing and hitting that like button. You know you wanna.